Having a preventive maintenance program is one of the most effective ways to maximize your equipment utilization. Equipment 360 uses alerts to drive your PM schedule. To set PM alerts, click on the Preventive Maintenance button on the top. Pick the piece of equipment on the left. Then set your PM alert for that piece of equipment based off of 3 parameters: calendar days, runtime hours, and your equipment's odometer. The Equipment 360 dashboard gives you a clear view of your alerts as well as the ability to arrange and filter any column to help you stay on top of your fleet maintenance. You can set alerts for certification and licensing for your equipment, due dates for your work orders, inspections, insurance, maintenance requests, preventive maintenance, reorder level for your inventory items, skills for your employees, and warranties. These alerts can easily be turned into work orders. Simply double-click on the alert, click on Create Work Order, and assign the mechanic.